Hey viewers, you are watching this Savera and I am Shudha. A landslide has partially blocked one side of the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway near Banihal. The incident occurred near the Shalgadi area in Ramban district following heavy rainfall. Authorities said the landslide has affected one side of the road. However, traffic movement has not been completely halted. Both up and down traffic are currently being managed through a single tube. Officials confirmed that vehicles are moving through. Minor disruptions are being reported. Drivers have been advised to remain cautious while passing through the affected stretch. The landslide was triggered due to continuous rain in the region. Loose soil and rocks came down from the hillside, blocking a portion of the highway. This created a temporary obstruction and raised safety concerns. Soon after the incident, road maintenance teams rushed to the spot. Men and heavy machinery have been deployed to clear the debris. Work is underway despite challenging weather conditions. Authorities said that rain is slowing down the clearance process. However, efforts are being made to restore normal traffic as soon as possible. Traffic police are present at the site. They are regulating the movement of vehicles. Diverted traffic is being managed carefully to avoid congestion. Officials said the vehicles are being allowed to pass in a controlled manner. Traffic is currently moving in the up direction, including diverted vehicles. There is no complete stoppage, but delays are possible. A traffic advisory has been issued. Commuters for passengers and drivers have been urged to check the latest updates before starting their journey. Authorities have also asked people to travel only if necessary. Weather conditions remain unstable in the region. More rainfall is expected in parts of Ramban district. This could increase the risk of further landslides. Commuters have been advised to maintain a safe distance from the affected area. They should follow instructions given by traffic officials on the ground. The Jammu-Srinagar National Highway is a crucial link between the Kashmir Valley and the rest of the country. Any disruption on this road impacts the movement of goods and passengers. Officials are closely monitoring the situation. Restoration work will continue until the road is fully cleared and safe for normal traffic flow. For now, the highway remains open with restrictions. Authorities have assured that all necessary measures are being taken to ensure safety and smooth movement. Further updates are expected as weather conditions improve and clearance work progress.
मेरी यही मैसेज रहेगी ड्राइवर भाइयों से सब ड्राइवर हो गए जो पैसेंजर गाड़ियों से यही है कि ट्रैफिक की एडवाइजरी को देख के ही चलें। जैसे शालगढ़ी के पास एक स्लाइड आई है काफ़ी बड़ी, लेकिन उससे ट्रैफिक को कोई वो नहीं है क्योंकि ट्रैफिक हमने अप ट्यूब में छोड़ा हुआ है। अप डाउन और अप का दोनों एक ही ट्यूब में चल रहा है इस वक्त। तो बाकी माइनर स्टोनिंग वगैरह चल रही है। मेरी लोगों से एडवाइस है कि मौसम को देख के ही निकले, अदरवाइज तो मोस्टली अपना हाईवे स्मूथली चल रहा है।
जहाँ पे सर लैंडस्लाइड आई शालगढ़ी के पास, वहाँ पे वन साइड है मतलब
वो ट्यूब ब्लॉक है इस वक्त। वहाँ पर मैन एंड मशीनरी पहुँच चुकी है, काम में लगे हुए हैं। बारिश की भी काफ़ी तेज है तो उनको थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है वहाँ पर, लेकिन मैन एंड मशीनरी वहाँ पर पहुँची हुई है। तो वो वाला ही ट्रैफिक जो है डाउन का ट्रैफिक है वो हमने अप ट्यूब में भी डाला होगा, स्मूथली ट्रैफिक चल रहा है।
Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.